Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Tonight on Cooking with Corey, we got a dish that's going to be delicious. A nice little side dish that we're going to make for you next.
Hey, wait a minute. I thought I was going to do my broccoli casserole this week.
Oh, yeah. Up next, Broccoli Casserole, or Cooking with Corey and Jen.
So tonight I'm going to make my broccoli casserole that I usually make for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And I got this recipe from my mother. It wasn't something we grew up with, but it's something that she brought home from work and then she started making it, you know. And I always loved it, and it was a big hit around the holidays, and so I started making it. And I never got it quite like my mom's, and I really won't have a chance to try my mom's again or ask her about it because she died 15 years ago. So I've got this recipe. This is in her handwriting that I have, and I don't think it's right because when I follow this recipe to the T, it doesn't taste like the way hers tasted it. So I think she was holding back on me a little bit. So over the years I've tweaked it and tried to come up with what I think is the best. And so this is where I am at right now, and that's what I'm going to show you tonight, is my version of my mother's broccoli casserole. Okay, so let me tell you about the ingredients. I use frozen chopped broccoli, and this is, I think, a pound package, and I use like 1.5 packages of that, and 1 diced onion, and a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and a can of cream of mushroom soup, and a half a package of Pepperidge Farm herb seasoned stuffing, and 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, and some butter. I think that's everything. So those are the ingredients. We're gonna start throwing it together here in a little bit, and so we'll bring you right back. All right, my mom's broccoli casserole on Cooking with Corey. This first step is real easy. We're going to take a half a stick of butter, 4 tablespoons, and melt it in a pan. And then we're going to just coat a half a bag of stuffing in the melted butter, and then we're going to set that aside, and that's what's going to go on top of our casserole. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw this in here while the butter's melting. Just mix this up to make sure all of the pieces of stuffing are nicely coated in butter. Now, you know, you could use breadcrumbs, seasoned breadcrumbs, whatever kind of bread like topping you want to use. But this was what my mom used in particular, was the Pepperidge Farm herbed stuffing mix. Alright, so just gonna keep tossing that and set it aside. Mix the rest of the stuff up and put this on top. Okay, now we're just gonna throw the rest of the ingredients together. So we've got our package and a half of frozen chopped broccoli, cooked according to the package instructions. Throw that in there. 1 diced onion. Cup of shredded cheddar cheese. 3/4 a cup of mayonnaise.
Alton Brown style.
Alton Brown style.
You forgot your scraper.
Well, all right. Here we go. Here we go. I got my scraper here.
There you go.
All right. Borrowed Corey's Alton Brown style measuring thing, and then 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Alright, I gotta get my smaller scraper out here for that one. Get that all out of here. Alright, we're gonna get this all mixed up into a casserole dish, and then we'll put the topping on. Okay, I got the mixture in the casserole dish. You can see the shreds of cheese and the broccoli and the mayonnaise and the cream mushroom soup, all that deliciousness. And then we're gonna sprinkle this stuffing on top. I might not use it all, but however much will fit. You just put it on top, pat it down. Last time I made so much, I had a overflow pan of a little single serving for Corey, because this is his favorite. Anyway, I think that's about all we can get in there. So that's it. That's how you put the broccoli casserole together, and then you bake it in a 350-degree oven for an hour. And so we'll do that, and then we'll come back and find out how it came out. Alright, this has been cooking for an hour in a 350-degree oven, and we're going to give it a taste. And Corey's really jealous that I'm going to get to taste it first, because this is his very favorite. So there you go. The breadcrumbs kind of stay crispy on top, but sort of sink into the broccoli mixture. And okay, so here we go.
How is it?
It was one of the best. One of my best attempts. You know, still not perfect, but I'll keep trying.
So it's a work in progress.
I wouldn't put it that way.
No, I think it's delicious. So.
Okay, well, all right. So here's to my mom's broccoli casserole for Cooking with Corey. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.